Hello, developers, Biconauts, and whoever is watching this video. Welcome to the third episode of Building with Account Abstraction. And today we are going to learn about Biconomy Dashboard and how we can create a new Paymaster using the Biconomy Dashboard, how we can set up gas tank by connecting our wallet and deposit and withdraw funds into the Paymaster, how we can set up Paymaster rules and webhooks, add custom policies conditions before sponsoring transaction, and how we can whitelist our contract and whitelist its method for sponsoring the transaction. So we're gonna learn about analytics, where we're gonna learn how our Paymaster is working throughout, and we are also going to talk about the auth token, which is needed for you to use dashboard APIs. So if you don't want to use the Biconomy dashboard website, you can use it using the APIs. So we're gonna learn a lot of things. This is the third episode of Building with Account Abstraction. You can learn about Paymasters. We already have a very beautiful video on Paymasters where we have defined the modes of Paymaster, the ERC20 sponsorship mode, and we have a full length video where we teach the developers how they can use the Paymaster service and how they can use it for sponsoring the transaction. So you can take the look at the link in the description for the Paymasters video. But today we are going to learn about the Biconomy dashboard. So let's go into the Biconomy dashboard, log in, and I'll tell you all the features of it. Okay, so as soon as you come into the dashboard.biconomy.io webpage, you'll see a sign in dashboard like this. And then you can sign in using your Google email, any kind of email, or you can sign in with GitHub or GitLab. I usually do it with sign in with GitHub. So I'll just sign in into the dashboard and I'll show you the other features. Okay, so as soon as you sign in to the dashboard, you'll see that there is this organization where you can see a lot of your Paymasters. So if you're a fresh user to the Biconomy dashboard, you'll see only a registration page where you can just register your first Paymaster. But since I have a lot of Paymasters right now, I'll just teach you how you can add a new Paymaster. So for that, just you have to click on this Add Paymaster, and then you'll see you have to name it. So I'll just name it as XYZ Paymaster for now. And I'll choose the network as Polygon, the version 1.1.0, and then register this Paymaster. As soon as I register this Paymaster, I'll be able to see the API key and the Paymaster URL here. Okay, and so these are some important credentials that you should take a note of. And you can see the mode of the Paymaster right now is ERC20 and it is not sponsored. Okay, so basically ERC20 is the mode in which you allow your users to pay their gas in any ERC20 token, right? And the sponsored mode is basically the mode in which you sponsor the transactions of your users. So I'll just click on sponsored. But as soon as I click on sponsored, I'm navigated to this gas tank where I have to set up a gas tank. And I'll just switch the network to Polygon. And I can see that I have to set up a gas tank. So I'll just click on set up gas tank. Okay. And I'll just sign it like that. Then I can basically go and deposit some Matic into this. And for that, I'll just have to enter some Matic and deposit my funds. You can also withdraw funds from your Paymaster using this column. And you can also see the transactions of your deposit and withdraw into your Paymaster through this column. Okay. And then we'll go into the rules where we can set up some Paymaster rules. Now, the first Paymaster rule is wallet deployment. Basically, it is to sponsor wallet deployments only. So if you toggle this on, so you are going to only sponsor those transactions in which the smart contract deployment will be included, and no other transaction will be sponsored. So only those transactions which includes smart account deployment will be sponsored. And if you go into the contracts, you'll see that there is whitelist smart contracts. You can add your smart contract. So basically, when you register a new Paymaster, it can sponsor any transaction, any smart contract transaction. Okay, but if you want your Paymaster to sponsor only specific transactions, only specific methods, and specific functions from a smart contract, so you can just add your contract into your Paymaster and whitelist those methods. Okay, now if you go into the spending, you'll see there is a spending limit that you can add. So there is global limit and user limit, so you can just read it out. Global limit is nothing but it controls the total gas fees or transaction that the Paymaster sponsors, and you can add a limit like this. Just click on this and you can set how much gas to be spent and for how much interval, right? And similar for the user limit is that a user specific limit restricts individual gas usage or transaction count, so you can limit a user on the transaction count. Okay, so for that you just have to add the limit like this. And if you want to add some custom policies or custom conditions to be checked before sponsoring the transaction, you can use webhooks for that. And using webhook is very easy. You can go into the docs from here and learn how you can register a webhook. Okay, and then we have an analytics tab where you see the analytics of your paymaster, how is it's working, right? How many total unique users have entered, like used your paymaster, have how many total user ops have been sponsored by your paymaster, the total gas used by your paymaster. So you can see a basic analytic stats of your paymaster through this. Now let me talk about the dashboard API. So basically, if you don't want to use this Biconomy dashboard website, you can use the dashboard using APIs. And for that, to use the dashboard APIs, you must have an auth token. And to get the auth token, you just go into your profile like this, and in the account settings, you'll be able to see this is your auth token. So basically, you'll have to regenerate your auth token. You'll see a generate tab if you're a fresh user, and I can see my auth token like this. And yeah, this is my auth token basically. And using this auth token, I can use the dashboard easily, right? And apart from this, let me tell you some other things in the dashboard. Like, this is the wallet, and it shows the amount and the funds that you have in your wallet, and you can connect your wallet. Basically, wallet connection is only required when you have to set up a gas tank, and it is not required if you have to register paymaster. You can register a paymaster without connecting your wallet. So it is simple as that. So this is how a dashboard looks like, and you can see all your paymasters at the home page. And now we are going to talk about the dashboard APIs in the next slide, and we'll know like how you can go and use the dashboard APIs and what all you can do with the dashboard APIs. Okay, cool. So now we are going to talk about the dashboard APIs and what all we can do with the dashboard APIs. So basically, you should be having an auth token for that, and with the help of that auth token, you can get a list of paymasters, create a new paymaster for yourself, whitelist a smart contract, delete smart contract, add a webhook rule to the paymaster, get all rules for a paymaster, and many more features. Right. So basically, all the things that you can do from the Biconomy dashboard, you can do it using the dashboard APIs as well. And for that, you'll have to go into a docs. The docs link is right in the YouTube description, and that's it, right? And you can learn more about it. That's it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And with this episode, we are going to end the series of building with account abstraction. And sooner we are going to have very awesome videos where we are going to learn about how we can do simple gasless transactions and how we can pay gas with the ERC20 token with the ERC20 mode as on. And we're going to learn a lot in the further videos. And I hope you just tune us in, subscribe to this channel, and like and comment the video. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.